Okay, today I'm going after the combing surround trim on the Catalina 27. We've got a piece missing here which I still have, so I'm going to glue that back in, or epoxy it back in with the G-Flex epoxy. And I'll show you what I did on the other side, but this is how they started out. If you notice, there's a little bit of separation going on there. It's just been abused. A little bit of a gap there, but the new ones are hard to find, and I think I can make them look acceptable. If not, I'll have to change them, but I'm going to try to save them. I got a limited time right now, so I gave it a go. Here's what I did on the other side. First, I sanded it down with 120 grit sandpaper by hand, and there was a separation here and here. This part was actually lifted up, so I sanded down between them as much as I could. Sand down inside between the two pieces with just a bit of sandpaper, and then washed it out really well. Get all the dust out of there, out of this piece here. So I lifted it up a little bit with a screwdriver and sanded it down on the inside and then the outside, the two pieces. So I get those clean and sanded. Then I taped it all up, and I spent quite a bit of time taping this up, because there's nothing worse than looking at a piece of bright work or wood, whatever, trim, and seeing that, where they got varnish on the gel coat. It just looks cheap, looks like someone rushed through it, because they were, and they did. So I'm going to try not to make that mistake again. So I taped it all up really nicely, as good as I could, but I think it'll be all right. And then I got my epoxy, mixed it in a little cup like that, just mixed it up equal parts. Then I took my pocket screwdriver, got a bit on the end, and got it down inside the gaps, and just worked it down inside there until it would fill all that in. Then I took a small clamp, clamped it here and here, not put much pressure, just a little bit, because I didn't want to squeeze it all out. And it just filled it all in, and it sat there real nice and went off. It's nice and hard, it's glued up. It's not perfect, but same over here. This now will not come off again. Anyway, so now I'm going to sand it with 220 sandpaper, smooth it out a little bit better, and then I'll hit it with the Star Bright Teak sealer that I featured in another video, and they come out about like that. We'll see how we go, but yeah, that'll be all right. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, wasn't that long. A couple hours each side. It's worth a try.